Tonight, we're learning more about people hospitalized with COVID-19. At Baptist Health, 170 people are hospitalized with the virus. Of those, 36 are in the ICU. Most of them are in the 50 to 59 age group, and 98% are not vaccinated. Experts we spoke with say patients are much sicker now that the Delta variant is spreading. News4JAX reporter Jim Pickett has been speaking with health officials and joins us live from Gateway Town Center, where, Jim, some people, not many, are still getting a vaccine.
You know, that's right. These two buses right behind me, these are buses from JTA and Agape Help, the administrators out here, and they're offering the vaccine. Far from the size of that federal site that used to be out here at Gateway, but there are a few people coming out here today getting the vaccine shot. But I'll tell you, as you mentioned, there are more people going into the hospital with COVID-19 that haven't been here, because what we've heard from hospital officials is about 98% of those hospitalized have not been vaccinated.
Alex Quintard just got the shot. He says he's been hesitant but decided to go ahead and do it because he and his wife will be traveling soon.
Not really any good reason. We just didn't get it done, that's all.
Do you think, have you been hearing what's been happening lately? Has that been a concern?
Yes, my wife definitely keeps up with it, and she noticed that all the spikes lately, and we decided to go ahead and do it this day.
We've been showing you this week how local hospitals have seen a surge of patients over the last 2 to 3 weeks. At UF Health Jacksonville, there are now 75 people hospitalized with the virus, 19 in the ICU. At Baptist, 170 cases with 36 in the ICU. The cases at Baptist are following the trend of much younger people getting the virus and in some cases dying from it. Since July at Baptist, the majority of COVID patients have been between the ages of 50 to 59 years old, followed by the 40 to 49-year-old age group. Historically, when the pandemic started, the average age there was 70 to 79 years old. Now, that's dropping. The main concern is that most of all of those in the hospital have not received the vaccine. For community organizations like Agape Help, which is offering the vaccine, that's a big concern.
That is still a problem. We don't have as many. I think that we will see that increase as we have more and more people, unfortunately, to get sick. I think we'll be in the same place we were before, that people are going to say, you know, I better go ahead and do this now.
And where to get that shot is not as easy as before, since the huge federal and state sites have now closed.
And you know, it's not only vaccines that are the concern, but testing is also concerned. Number of people wanting to get tested. We're having problems finding sites today. We'll have that coming up all new at 6. For now, we're live at Gateway on the north side. Jim Pickett, Channel 4, the local station.